Hello, my name is Santiago. I'm 12 years old. I'm from Mexico. Welcome to Exploring Kitchen. So I'm gonna show you how to do truffles. This is a great Christmas recipe because of their story. Years ago, a good chef made this chocolate by error. He made them like this because he didn't have the ingredients to make another type of candy. He mixed the chocolate, the cookies, and the milk and made this great dessert. To make these truffles, you will need the following ingredients: cocoa powder, 2 or 3 spoons, half cup of milk, and 1 pack of cookies. First, mash the cookies. Mix the cookies powder with the cacao. Later, add the milk. Until having a wet dough, make balls with the dough. After that, roll the balls with the cacao powder. Finally, put in the freezer and wait to 20 to 30 minutes. This is the result. Little balls of chocolate, very delicious. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas!